Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
We're so excited.
And today we have the Oldie Summit Energy Special Blue Raspberry. Also mailbox. Very nice.
Wow.
Pretty close
I don't
mailbox.
pull out there. That's usually a problem.
Yep.
When you're not used to something.
Exactly. So anyways.
Is it going to stay in? You can edit that out.
Huh?
Is it going to stay in? You can edit that out.
Anyways, Blue Raspberry. That's right. Blue Raspberry Energy Drink. So let's look at the important factors. We got ourselves 10 little calories. We got ourselves 1 gram of carbohydrate. We got 50 milligrams of calcium. We have 60 milligrams of vitamin C. We have 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin. We got 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12. Ooh, we got 50 milligrams of B5. Ooh, nice. And 300 micrograms of biotin. And we also have, let's see here, we're getting green tea extract and organic coffee from green tea. Ooh, and that's going to give us 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Nice. Very, very nice.
Loving it.
Sounds tasty.
Yeah.
Let's get it opened up and see what it tastes like.
I got mine open.
All right.
You first.
Ooh, definitely on that Celsius style of wow, texture. Wow.
Not super syrupy.
Mm-hmm.
But you still get that crazy blueberry.
Yeah, you do.
Raspberry.
It's not as powerful as you might think it is, but it's still nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
Very good. Very good to little aftertaste with these two.
Yeah, exactly. Some nice carbonation.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. What do you think?
I like it. Very good.
Yep.
It's a nice trio of flavors they have. It's just the 3, I think.
Yeah.
Peach mango.
Oh yeah, what's the price they were running?
$159.
Oh yeah, so that's not too
So,
bad. Not terrible.
well, for
Could be better, but it's not bad.
Well, compared to the dollar store,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's excellent price. Because
Exactly.
a more quality drink with the caffeine from the tea extract. And
Exactly.
I might be wrong, but it doesn't seem like there's as much junk in there.
Yeah, it seems like there's a little less on the
But they have
extra.
a cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
Energy drink.
Well, better ingredients listed anyways. They
Yeah.
could be ingredients that they didn't list though.
I mean, I don't think this variety does have red dye number 40.
Not that I see, nope, because it's pretty regular.
It's got blue dye number 15.
Yeah, it's non-dyed color, so.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I think it's very tasty. So yeah, because no high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors,
Exactly.
and no aspartame.
Is it zero sugar?
It is, yeah, 0 sugar, only 1 gram of carbohydrate.
Nice. And
So
like
that's
5 calories. Right?
10 calories, yeah.
Yeah.
So
That's
that's really
awesome.
that's really not
It's
that bad. So
literally
that's pretty
having
good.
your cake, and well, not literally, but having your cake and eating it too. So
Exactly.
Cake, remember the birthday cake bangs?
Those are good. Yeah,
Just remember those.
those things are awesome. So, alright guys, well that's it for us.
Moldy.
I would say that is a go. Pick it up and try it out. I say SRT392 for what it is. And we will see you guys here next time. Bye bye.